Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to cancel a payment on the Capitec app in 2025. Whether you've accidentally scheduled a payment or just had a change of heart, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Capitec's app is super user-friendly, but let's make sure you nail this process without any hiccups. First things first, grab your phone and open the Capitec app. Make sure you're logged in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Security is key, especially with money involved. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the Payments or Transactions tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. It's that intuitive design that makes Capitec stand out. Now, find the payment you want to cancel. This could be under Pending Payments or Scheduled Transfers. Tap on it to open the details. You'll see an option like Cancel or Edit. Go ahead and select that. The app might ask for confirmation, so double-check the details to avoid any mistakes. Hit Confirm Cancellation, and voila, you're done. A quick tip: if the payment has already been processed, you might not be able to cancel it directly. In that case, contact Capitec's customer support through the app's chat feature or give them a call. They're usually super responsive. Remember, always keep an eye on your transaction history to stay on top of your finances. There you have it. Canceling a payment on the Capitec app is straightforward and stress-free. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.